One of Warren Buffett's quotes is, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." This gets to the heart of pay yourself first. And in my last video, there was a lot of confusion around what's the difference between paying yourself first or paying yourself at the end of the month. So let me explain why this is so important. So just to recap, the majority of Americans take their income, they pay their expenses, they budget extra items, they've got money left over, and then they save for their future. So here's the problem with that. On any given month, stuff happens. Car repairs, home repairs, medical expenses, and the list goes on. And when this bill's due, this contribution typically gets cut. And so every time you miss a contribution here, depending on your growth rate, you could be causing yourself a reduction in future income there. Repeat that habit a few times over the course of your earning years, and you could be costing yourself significant income in your retirement. So here's the solution. You always start by paying yourself first. Then you pay your expenses, you've got your budgeted items, and then in the case of the month where stuff happens and there's not enough money in your account, you go to your emergency fund to cover the cost of those expenses, which also protects the future value of your nest egg. Hopefully this shows the difference between paying yourself first and saving what is left over. The key is to have that emergency fund set aside for when stuff happens. So if you don't already have an emergency fund set aside, or you're not quite sure if you have enough in your current one, be sure to watch our video on starting and growing your emergency fund. Hopefully you found value in today's video. As always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have questions, put them in the comments below. If you'd like a one-on-one planning session, you can click the link below and our team's happy to help you. My name's Scott McLean. It's not what you make, it's what you do with what you make.